Yes, Charleston.
This is a flash flood warning for the following counties in West Virginia, Clay and Nicholas. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for Clay County in north central West Virginia, central Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Desert flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Intact flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Other locations that will experience flash flooding include Somersville, Clay, Glen, Cranston, Harrison, Trinity, Before, Kemper's Cross Lanes, Indoor, Muzzleton, Block, Iredale, Swift, Century, Canvas, and Calvin. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia, Clay and Nicholas. In addition to all of that, you should apply your blade. You're also the chair of the Delta Call
QB's going. Oh, the WKVW's running late. No EOM. Given WVSR is off.
Unlimited data contract. Why pay for data you don't need? Instead, get on. Or force. Start saving today. Go to puretalk.com, type in your address to find the coverage at your home, then enter promo code HALF-OFF, and you'll save an additional 50% off your first month. That's puretalk.com, promo code HALF-OFF. Pure Talk is simply smarter.
Relay!
Summer means more time to focus on home projects. Oh, how did that list get so long? Beat the heat this summer. And put new custom window treatments from Blinds.com at the top.
There's no reason your station should depend on WVSR. They're not a local primary, and you're... You still suck.
This is a flash flood warning for the following counties in West Virginia, Clay and Nicholas. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for Clay County in north central West Virginia, central Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Somersville, Clay, Glen, Craigsville, Harrison, Drennan, Bickmore, Kessler's Cross Lanes, Indore, Mardelty, Wyden, Iverdale, Swiss, Bentry, Canvas, and Calvin. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia, Clay and Nicholas.
My brother-in-law died suddenly, and now my sister and her kid.
Can you spot a liar? I'm sure you think you can. Snake in the...